I'd like to show you two more things that you'll find useful in the 2D flight profile. The first is the details. If you click on this button here, it will expand out the screen and show you the details of the flight. And as you move the slider bar, you'll also see that all the flight details are changing too. This is a neat feature so that you can, for example, you can watch the velocity of the rocket change. And it also works during the animation. And if you want to close it, you just click on the details button again. If you would like to see a picture of your rocket in the flight profile, what you can do is click on the preferences and click on the rocket image button. And what you'll do is you'll give the image a name, and I'm calling mine alpha, and then choose a place where you're going to store the data files. And I store mine, you can store them in the folder called media. And what we're going to do is going to create some sprites. Sprites are the little pictures, the little icons, if you will, of the rocket. And to create a sequence, we need a whole series of sprites. And you can change the sprite size here. I'm going to make mine pretty big, so just so you can see it. So mine's going to be 250 by 250 pixels. And then click on the generate rocket image. And this is going to take a little while as RockSim draws each frame of the movie. And it draws enough frames so that it can take into account any unforeseen deviation in the flight of the rocket. So now it's drawing the rocket with the flame on it. And now it's doing the parachute. And notice that the parachute is the same color we specified as the 3D color. If you have a streamer in your rocket, sometimes the streamer is so narrow that it may not show up during the process of generating sprites. So if you want to have a streamer, just take that into account. And the faster your processor, the faster this process will be. And then click OK. And RockSim is now reloading our new sprites. See, now we have a picture of our rocket. And when you click on the animation button, and you can see your rocket fly. Kind of neat. You can see down here as it's taking off, you do see that little flame right there. And this is something you can play with.